the recording quality, the style, but also the message of hope and love and peace. Album came out in 1976, which is a time which unfortunately has a lot of parallels to today. So this album had a huge effect on me. And what we're doing, the last song we're doing today is from Songs of Cuba. I Wish by Stevie Wonder. We'll also do Higher Ground now, which is from, get a little geeky on you here, from 1974, Higher Ground. The song we just did in Master Blaster was from 1980 when Stevie was on tour with Bob Marley. And this song is from 1976, Songs of Key of Life, considered Stevie's masterpiece. But the fact is, this is not just a personal story, right? This music by black artists is so influential to all the music, all the pop music that we're exposed to and listened to, from Elvis Presley to the Beatles to the Rolling Stones to artists today like Adele. Music by black artists has been foundational to pop music and so important to the style. And the more I read about music and autobiographies and that, it's always referencing this music that's really pivotal to, really foundational to the pop music of still of today. So I think I've spoken enough. Looks like we're ready. We're going to do Higher Ground by Stevie Wonder and I Wish by Stevie Wonder.